one minute you are playing around, just having fun and doing the things that you want to do, and the next minute your body just doesn't respond the way that you want it to. And as I grew up, I just realised something powerful, that hemiplegia just wasn't a challenge, it was my teacher. And the lessons taught me that it just shaped me, every part of who I am today. The first lesson was patience. I used to want progress instantly, like that. But recovery just doesn't care about timelines. It forces you to grow slowly, and just slow down your pace, just show up every single day, and with faith it will work out for you. And doing the same hard things every day, trusting that it will pay off. It will pay off in the long run. But if you just want progress in a week, you will be disappointed. But the next one is just control what you can, because hemiplegia just didn't control. It just controls you, like your hand not opening the way that you want it to, your leg and your arms spazzing out, the facial expressions that you want it to want to do. It just doesn't, at first it just doesn't care that much. And if you can control your mindset, your effort and your focus, once I stopped chasing what I couldn't control and doubled down on what I could control, and my world changed. And that's just real power. The next one is, for years I compared myself to other people, everyone else who didn't have the same things that I've experienced. But as I proved myself, saying that you shouldn't compare yourself to other people, even with this condition, you shouldn't compare yourself to other, like, you shouldn't compare yourself to me, nor should I compare myself to you. Yes, you might be way ahead of what I can do, or far behind, but if you compare yourself to yourself like a week ago or 3 months ago, you will be able to figure out how well you're doing. It just, comparing just blinds you from how far you have come. And I started realising that I am racing my own race, and the goal isn't just comparing yourself to anyone else, it's just to be better than you were yesterday. And once I embraced that, I started feeling free again. And the next one is, pain isn't just physical, it's mental and emotional as well. There are days where I hated my body, hated myself for feeling this way, but pain builds resilience, and growth doesn't happen when things are easy. It happens when things are hard. And if you keep on going, even when it hurts, you will get there in the end. And the whole progress, the whole pushing through is what you should do, and that's where you'll find who you really are. And if you build a morning anchor, do one physical thing, one mental task, and one that grounds you. It sets a tone for the day in the morning. And journal what you can control. So each morning I write down what's important to me, what I could do, and what's in my power, and let it go, let the rest go, and just focus on gratitude and effort, not just outcomes. So focus on showing up and not perfection. Let's say you're meant to do 3 exercises each, 3 times around, and you only do one, but that's better than just doing none. So just keep on aiming for perfection, but just don't be put off by just doing a bit. Like, you will be able to do three exercises, your full plan, and some days you won't be able to do it, and that's just the way it is. Yes, you should be able to should aim for perfection, but if you don't get there, just don't put yourself down, because if you put yourself down, you won't be able to do the next day. And yeah, as I said, disconnect from comparison, limit social media or environment that makes you feel behind. At the end of the day, reflection is key. Just ask what did I do today, what can I do the next day, and just go from there. And Hemiplegia took a lot from me, and it gave me something far more valuable, and that's perspective. And it taught me patience, control, and resilience and gratitude. It taught me that life isn't about avoiding pain, it's about learning through the pain. And if you're going through something that's major, and right now, just remember that just little by little you will be able to get there, and you are being shaped for something greater than just a hemiplegic person. You are the best thing that you can be if you just keep on working and just showing up. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.